Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, the latest second-generation model with the Chime 2. This device promises to enhance your home security with crystal-clear 2K video, smart detection features, and easy installation. First, let's talk about the video quality. The Arlo Video Doorbell offers true 2K resolution, which is a significant upgrade over standard 1080p doorbells. This means you can see fine details like facial features and package labels clearly. The 180-degree field of view eliminates blind spots and gives you a head-to-toe view of visitors, so you can see packages on the ground as well. One of the standout features is the smart detection. The doorbell can distinguish between people, vehicles, and packages. You can set it to alert you only for specific events, reducing false alarms. For example, you can get a notification when a package is delivered, but ignore passing cars. The integrated siren and two-way audio allow you to scare off unwanted visitors or communicate with delivery personnel remotely. Night vision is excellent too. The doorbell uses infrared LEDs to provide clear monochrome video even in total darkness. The motion sensor is responsive and can be customized with activity zones to focus on important areas. Installation is straightforward. You can choose between wired or wireless setups. The wireless option uses a rechargeable battery, which lasts a couple of months depending on usage. The wired option uses existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. The included Chime 2 plugs into any outlet and provides customizable chime sounds and volume levels. Now about the Arlo Secure Plan. The doorbell comes with a 1-month free trial of the premium subscription. Without a subscription, you get basic live viewing and motion alerts, but no cloud recording or advanced detection. To unlock features like 30-day video storage, package detection, and 24/7 emergency response, you'll need to subscribe. It's worth noting that local storage is not available, so cloud subscription is almost necessary for a full experience. Integration with smart home ecosystems is limited to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Apple HomeKit is not supported, which may disappoint some users. Overall, the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K is an excellent choice for those who want high-resolution video and intelligent detection. However, the subscription requirement is a drawback. If you're willing to pay for the cloud plan, this doorbell is one of the best on the market. For budget-conscious buyers, there are alternatives with free local storage. We hope this review helps you decide. Thanks for watching.